These days, I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. Scatter it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. Well, fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time with you.
What it do, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see from the name of the title today, I got a special one for you guys. Yes, guys, it's been like about 5-6 months, maybe even more, man, since I really put out a video on the channel. You know, I don't know if I mentioned this before in my old videos, but I did get a promotion back in December, and I just been busy, bro. Work has been keeping me busy, and you know, I think things are smoothing out a little bit more now, so I'm able actually to put out more car content for you guys, and I'm pretty sure, you know, we're gonna be having more car content for you guys to tune in. So make sure y'all stay tuned to the channel. I'm trying to drop like once a week, and you know, I'm gonna try to stay true to that. So I appreciate you guys, you know, staying loyal to the channel. I see the channel has been growing since, you know, I think my last video we were like around 600 subscribers, right? Like 755. It's only been like, you know, it's been like 6 more plus more months or whatever, almost a year. I think about 6-7 months, however. But you know, channel's growing. I haven't been putting car content out there like that lately, but you know, videos are still going up, and you know, y'all still tuning in. So I must have been doing something right, and I just, you know, motivates me more to get back out there for you guys and drop that car content like y'all want, y'all like y'all been itching for. But yeah, guys, definitely stay tuned. I got a special one for you guys today. We're actually going to be removing my old vinyl on my car, because as you could tell, if we're removing, maybe we got something new coming. So stay tuned for that. I ain't gonna let out no any secrets about that, but stay tuned for the next video. I got something special for you guys. But yeah, guys, it's gonna be a quick time-lapse video. We're going to mount you guys up and just do a quick little time-lapse video of me removing the vinyl. It's simple. I posted out in the parking lot of like a Target or whatever, and I'm basically just letting the wrap heat up, and it should be easy. Hopefully it should be easy. I ain't gonna lie, this wrap's been on here for about like 2-3 years, and it's the material is really good. So I hope to God, you know, please hope, you know, hope it doesn't give me issues where it starts ripping in different sections and I just have a mess at the end of the day. But we're gonna go ahead and just see if we can just take care of that and then prepare for the new wrap. Ooh, I just let y'all know. But prepare for that coming up, so stay tuned for that. But definitely I appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into this video. All right, y'all, we have to hit to the house real quick. Let's see if this is gonna work for us. All right, guys, as you can see, the wrap is fully taken off the hood. As you can see, it's the next day. We're back at the parking lot, so we're gonna go ahead and now start the clay bar process. I'm really just gonna make this video like how to clay bar after your vinyl removal. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to clay bar your hood after you got all the vinyl off of there. I also took some of the adhesive remover, this stuff called Goof Off, I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, and I went ahead and wiped down all the adhesive. It was all black and stained up from all that glue from the wrap. So really it's pretty smooth for the most part. I feel it's pretty smooth. Got some little spots here and there, but we're gonna go ahead and clay bar it to get all the contamination off of it. So I'm gonna prop you guys up there and we'll go ahead and get this started. So let's get it. All right guys, so first you're gonna grab your clay bar. Gonna open that up. Make sure you don't drop this. If you drop this, you're gonna have to get a whole new one. Open up the package. Clay bar here. We're gonna just go ahead and pull off a good amount, probably like half of it. Put that back in there. Put that right there for a second. Put back this other extra back in here. Probably use this a little later. We got our clay bar lubricant from Chemical Guys. We're gonna go ahead and start the process on getting all the contaminants off. Let's go ahead and squish this down, roll it up. Flatten it. That's really much all you need. Make sure it's flat. We're going to start the process. So, I'm going to start spraying it up. And just back and forth like that. You guys want to do this process before you basically install your hood wrap. Get a smooth surface going. Yeah, got a clay bar, get it ready.
Yeah, that's nice. You took the whole thing off from yesterday?
Yeah. Basically, I started working on it a couple days ago.
Nice.
But I finally got everything off, and now I'm getting ready for the new wrap.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
That's badass, man.
Thank you.
Yeah. What color are you gonna go with?
I got like this.
Nice.
Yeah. So I'm gonna put that on there. We're gonna probably get installed sometime this week.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's a nice place to do it too, because nobody be fucking with us over here. I used to come when I first moved in.
Yeah.
Me and my brother would meet right here because I didn't want to get down in my driveway and we smoke, change the oil, everything.
Okay. Yeah. This is where I usually do all my work at.
They never said nothing to me ever.
Yeah. Exactly. Yep.
Especially if you're just out here like that, they're like, I ain't messing with this guy.
Yeah. We're not doing too much, and I clean up my mess after. So
Yep.
yeah.
And the bald guy in there right now, he's cool as fuck. He just told me, hey, Don't leave your bike outside. Bring it inside, bro.
Okay. That's what's up.
I was just going to get my daughter. He's like, don't leave your bike out there at all.
Right? You don't want to. You never know. You guys have a good day. It's always great to get that compliment. Close this hood up. Get up top there. Little. For the most part, I feel like this is already prepped and ready to go after using that adhesive remover, but you never want to be too careful with this stuff. When you're doing this or installing a new wrap, you just, you want the actual wrap to actually, glue on there onto the actual hood. This definitely saves you some money from, actually getting the wrap removed like I did. So it saves some money there. And then just prepping the surface basically. Saves money and time. So when I am ready to get it installed, it'll be a quick installation and it'll save me some money.
Oh, that's busy. He ballin'.
right here, you can run your hand across it. You can feel the smoothness on the hood, and that's how you basically know that the hood is prepped and ready to go. It starts feeling like glass. That's it. And I think that's gonna be it, guys. Feels good to me. Wipe down the towel one more time. And there you guys have it. That guy right there just said 2-day project. So I've been out here for a couple days, as you guys can see. But there you guys have it. Just finished up fully clay barring the full hood. As you guys can see from the video, we went ahead and removed the full vinyl off the hood. Had the vinyl on there for about 3 years, and you know, it was really no issue taking off the vinyl. Certain places started really peeling and ripping off and little pieces, however, but I got it off for the most part. Try to leave it in the sun to heat up, because that's what was recommended. Leave it in the sun, it should peel off, no issue. It started doing that. Well, I was able to do that for the most of it, but then you know, it just wasn't hot enough, however, so I had to, you know, run to the house, plug in my heat gun, and basically hit it in the spots that was giving me issues. Was able to get the full wrap off after that. Then I got some adhesive remover, was able to wipe off all that excessive glue on there that was left over from the vinyl, and then I was able to clay bar it. As you can see, I got my clay bar, got my clay lubricant from Chemical Guys. I've been having this for about a couple months now, and you know, finally got to put it to use. But yeah, guys, I'm excited to get this new vinyl wrap installed. I got something special for you guys, so stay tuned for the next video. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.